in the month of Sha'ban now. 2 days have passed. This is the second day already. We ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to make these blessed months a source of rahmah for us, a source of barakah for us, and allow us to enter into Ramadan with khair, with afiyat, with a heart full of iman, with a heart full of love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, excited to benefit from His mercy that is countless and endless in this beautiful month of Ramadan. We want to prepare ourselves to benefit from it, and we want to make the most out of this month. And we again ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to allow us to live up to it, so that we get one more chance to clean our book of deeds and please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Alhamdulillah, from the last couple of weeks we have been having this opportunity to prepare for this forthcoming month of blessing. And the theme that we have been following is that it's a month for which we need to get our hearts ready. The reason we need to get our hearts ready for it is because that is where the rahmah, that is where the mercy would come in. That is where we would feel the love of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala come into. And once we manage to accumulate that mercy, once we manage to accumulate that noor that descends in that month of blessings into our hearts, that would then allow us to carry through the rest of the year as an abd of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, as an obedient servant of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, doing what pleases Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and staying away from what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is not pleased with. We looked at the few fundamental important things in the first session, that what are a must do. And one of the things that was a must do was that if we don't do anything which would help increase us in good deeds, then the minimum that we must do is to stop all the things that make us sin. So the punchline from the first section was become neutral. Come out of the negative zone, come at the neutral point. Stop doing things which put you in the negative zone. Not praying, not protecting your eyes, protecting your ears, protecting your tongue, protecting your arms. These are all the things that put us in the negative zone.